Oh, I'm going people, thanks for to the Pat News Network. Big up on yourself. You don't know. People don't miss me. When I must miss you, man. A good one when I read some news, you know. Yeah, man, but we take a little break, you know, Easter period and them thing. We say we take a little short break just to kind of refocus, recalibrate, you know, focus on God and them thing. You don't know, say Easter our special time in the year. We just want to take the time just to kind of breeze out the network a little bit, you know. But people who forward back, you know, you don't know, say news of a reader, if you make you know what going on in Jamaica and around the world and them thing there. Pat News Network starts. So we're going to run right to the news right now and make you know what going on in Jamaica and them thing there. Producer, you could tell me some Navi made peace. No, but how am I going to hear, you know? First thing on the news right now, people. By now, you're supposed to know that the country fully open up back to outside visitors and them thing there. They don't require a COVID test. They don't need to do a letter. They don't need to make sure. None. They just can't come in as much as they want. It's all like the country force open, people. I know the force open thing already. If you never hear about force open Aki, you know, so that we poison, you know. Just hope so we're not poison like how the Aki we poison, you know. But people, big and serious thing though. The country open up back and we know some people happy about it, but we there are PNN, we're not too happy about it, you know. We kind of indifferent because look at big United States who have all the resources in the world and them no force open them country. Then make sure say if you come them country, if you have your COVID test, you have to show your vaccine card, all manner evil. So why Jamaica must free up like a bird, so? Why we must Lego like Lego beasts? For people just come and run up and down in our country and do what they want to do. But anyway, the country open up back and we just have to make you know. But of course, it would be Jamaica if little excitement never follow back at the opening of the country. Because on the 21st, the Ministry of Health released that press release here. If you say Omarian, yes Omarian, and that's what we call it. Omarian BA2. And of course, we know where the name come from, people. Omarian, they in a B2K. So we know say I K them go next. You can't fool me, right? B2K, they in the island. And of course, people don't know say that one very contagious variant of the COVID-19. That one that spread quicker than one bed when picnic hear them mother come. That one that spread wicked. It's very contagious, people. So we know out there we are galavant and a party and do all mother evil out on a mask and a social distance and them thing there. Please remember say Omarian B2K, they're ready for touch you know. So only be careful, yeah? Because COVID not gone away. The next thing on the news is that patty raise again, you know.
What Jesus Christ?
The patty price raise again. People remember when the patty used to be for 20 and 30 or 15 and them thing there? Patty was one of the cheapest things you could have buy for lunch, you know. 2 little patty, full your belly, and you're going back at work. So what are we going to do right now? We're not going to do nothing, you know. We're not going to do nothing because that's still one of the cheapest things you can buy for lunch where you can full your belly. So you're going to buy the 2 patty, you're probably going to drink a little water, buy 1 bag juice or whatever the case might be, but you're not going to stop buy patty, tasties, mothers, juicy with them still are going to full. No matter which part them go with the patty price them. We know this for a fact because look on KFC. KFC price them a shoot like a shooting star. And we still a pack up the drive-thru them and the restaurant them, so nothing not going to change. We just going to cost the price them raise and we still going to buy the patty. The most we probably do is say, we're not going to buy the cheese and the patty. We just going to warm up the beef patty, drop the cheese over our yard, put it in the oven or in the microwave, and that's our cheese patty. At that time, most we are going to do. But patty price raise, just to make you know. So you know, say a bag of flooding and them things then are going to Montego Bay and other places in Jamaica. So we just want to talk to the motorists them when they're on the road. If you feel like so don't want to brave the bodies of water them out there, we're asking to tap it. You don't understand how hard the water push and sometimes you don't feel like say your vehicle can do things where it cannot do. Your vehicle never built to swim. If you don't see the big large body of water, then you better not wait until the water subside before you drive. It better not save on a life than lose a couple hours. We are begging you. Don't try cross the water them. Please. We are begging you. This is a Pat News Network breaking news. A warrant has been issued for the arrest of one Marky, aka Chopper Mark, aka Mark X, for speeding and reckless driving. It's alleged that Marky has been at the center of many major accidents along Jamaica's thoroughfare, leading to deaths. Chopper Mark was last seen speeding, showboating, and overtaking a long line of vehicles along Jamaica's thoroughfare. He's also friends with known and wanted accomplice, Crown. Motorists are being asked to approach Mark X with extreme caution as he is very speedy and because of his recklessness, very dangerous. If you or anyone you know have any information about the whereabouts of Mark X, please call 1-888-GO-EASY-DOG. That's 1-888-GO-EASY-DOG. One price mart open up a Portmore over there. And finally, Portmore people them rejoice because I have to drive come Kingston to do them big and major shopping with them normally would I do. But when I go lie to the people, I first me see people so excited to spend their money. Because that's all I go do, you know. Just I go price smart, I go full, I go see things one I need and I go buy it. That's all I got. And price smart, that's all I go laugh. They will not lose. But anyway, at least now I drive come Kingston no more, so the Kingston location I got free up now. But of course, people, PNN now look on one side of the news alone. Because price smart open up, yes, but of course we have to take to Twitter. I will see on Twitter one young lady say, she don't understand price smart open up on so much unrefined people. They are Portmore now shop at price smart. Unrefined, you know. Unrefined, and Twitter did deal with her. So apparently if you dress up like the Queen and the rest of the royal family, you can't go in a price smart no more. Though, but again a price smart with a dirty foot back and your dirty flip flop where you drag on the ground. Make sure so you have on your tie, your jacket and your nice clothes before you go in there. Are you going to be considered as unrefined? And the people in at Portmore, the latest parish, does not want no unrefined people in them price smart. On a favor. So as you know, we have a new feature we call Jamaica no one real place. And of course, we always have to put something out there for making you know why Jamaica I know one real place. Check out the video. What the bird them do are, make sure you have the bird them, almost have broke them back and them neck and them wing. Eh? I know she feel what? She feel bad because she's supposed to leg out the bird them, leg out half of the people them bird, but the bird them fly go where them a go. This is cruelty to animals. But anyway, this is why we say Jamaica now a real place. Thanks for all people. Now I did some sports and them thing there. Now as you know, last week JARIFTA games go on and them thing there and we dominate. I know probably I wonder one named JARIFTA. I can't CARIFTA games. JARIFTA games are we dominated. Matter of fact, we're gonna rename it. It's gonna name Jamaican Youth International Invitational Track and Field Meet. We know it's a whole heap of words, but we have to make sure so we put in the invitational part where we invite the other Caribbean islands to participate. Because if we event now, 92 medal. Come on, we top we medal tally the last one we get 89, you know, 45 gold medal out of possible 67 or something like that. People will dominate, man. Dominate the sprints to be what I relay them and did Fiwi. We take over the entire event of Fiwi now. You can't name CARIFTA games no more. We must say CARIFTA mean Caribbean Fair Trade Association, you know. What fear about we going last week? No fear about we going last week. We dominate, we beat and taught them. Beat and taught them. But as we say, we not try to be cocky. And we not try hype nor nothing. But how we dominate the thing? How we dominate and we just want to big up the athlete them for what do what will make us proud. And we just want to ask the coach them, take all the time with the athlete them, with the student athlete them, because we don't want them mash up and write off like some of them other athlete them in the past. Because a whole heap of our athlete them write off, you know. And when them reach the senior program, you know, them full of injuries, them can't do nothing. We don't want them win medals for the school and we don't want them win champs and them things. But take on the time with them and make sure so them can move on to the next phase of them journey. Next thing, we're going to have some PNN weather because as we're telling you in a bag of rain and things, they are far from what they are. And apparently, as a producer, they might tell me, we have one little pre-recorded thing where they go on at the week with 1 hour roving report of them on the road. So, take it to make us see what I go on. What I go on, people, you don't know, say, patwanewsnetwork now, but they're outside in the rain. No, don't ask me why we in the rain. Because if rain fall, everybody's supposed to know it's rain fall. I know we have to do a roving report make us know it's rain fall. You can meticulously scrutinize. The road is full of water, right? The road is full of water right now. Yeah. So if you don't have to go up on the road, especially at them time when the gas price are shoot up, we are begging you. Just stay off the road them. Stay off the road and allow we will need for them on the road if you go about to business. So we're asking us to stay on the yard, stay inside, and allow professionals like ourselves figure out and get the information through. You see like river like them, you know? Leave the river them alone. If you don't drive a big vehicle, don't attempt to do that. We are professionals. That's what we're here for. Alright, so right now we're on the boulevard, right? And also we can meticulously scrutinize the rain about bully. We're gonna ask the driver, we're not driving in the rain. We turn on the headlights. We can't see uno. Turn on uno headlights when we're driving on the road in a rainy condition. It helps the other motorists when you're too selfish. Next thing I know, people, if you carry all and lead to service, do not carry the car upon the road. The car is going to break down and we do not carry a struggle right now. It's a struggle. It is struggling. It should not be on the road. Alright? Okay, roving report. So, producer, why am I so angry? No, why am I so angry and loud? You don't need to be so angry and loud. Remember, I just look away them and give the people, I'm not to be so... Oh. Sorry about that, people. Sorry about that. But let's talk to the producer about the loudness and everything. But yeah, man, people just want to thank you for about the Pattern News Network. I don't know, it's the baddest news network on the planet, you know. I want to beg you, for the people that want to subscribe and like and share the content here. Do it, no, man. Do it, man. If you don't like the news and them thing, if you don't like what I go on PNN and on Dextazlab, do the thing, man. Because people, we are share something, you know. This year we want to reach 5,000 subscribers, you know. Not less than 5,000 subscribers we want to reach by the end of the year. We feel like so we can reach it. So I beg you, share the content, like, subscribe, and continue to look out for more from Pattern News Network or from Dextazlab. You see me? You don't know the baddest news network on the planet. Big up on yourself. You don't know.